Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Amisha Plasso, and in today's video we will continue with our chapter Factorization, class 8, chapter 12. So previously we learned about how to write down the factors, then we learned about multiplication of factors, then we learned the different identities which are there about these factors and how to apply them. In today's class we will learn about division of these algebraic expressions. Okay, so now to first begin with division of a monomial by another monomial. Monomial, we know it means by only one term that is present. So now let's start by writing the factors of this. So 6x cube can be written as 2 into 3, that is 6 into x into x into x. 2x can be written as 2 multiplied by x. Now these two in this factor form we have to divide them. So 2 into 3 into x into x into x upon 2 into x. So you cancel out this x, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So we'll have 3x square. So therefore this is how we do division. Now another example would be, again we write down the factors first. So now we directly write down the factors: 7 into x into x into y into y into y into y, then divided by 14. 14 can be written as 2 into 7, that is 2 into 7 is 14. 2 into 7 into x into y into z. Now you cancel out, z and z goes, y and y goes, x and x goes. 7 and 7 also gets cancelled, so 7 ones are 7 ones are. Here now we'll write the remaining terms: x, y, z upon 2. Okay. Now next, this was about division of a monomial by another monomial. Now we'll look at a division of a polynomial, that is wherein there are more than 2 terms or more than 3 terms, okay, by a monomial. The down part remains as a monomial. So again we start by writing the factors. Now in this case what we can do is that you can factorize this, or you can write its factors. 2y cube will be equal to 2 into y into y into y. Then 5y square, you can write it as it is, 5 into y into y, and 6y equals to, you can write 2 into 3 into y. Okay. Now we write down these terms individually. Okay, so you can do this way. This is one method. Okay, so then you have to write down all of these terms and then divide. Now another method is the easier way round. We take y cube plus 5y square plus 6y upon 2y. Now this 2 we can give individually to all of them, correct? So we can write 4y cube upon 2y plus 5y square upon 2y plus 6y upon 2y. Now you can do the cancellation. So y and this will become square, and this 2 ones are 2 2s are. This y and this will go off, and 2 1s are 2 3s are, and this y gets cancelled. So what is remaining here is we have 2y square plus we have 5 upon 2 plus we have 3. Sorry, here there is 1 y remaining. So 5 upon 2 plus 3. So this is one method. Other way method, you can write down all these factors and then do the division part of it. But this is the easier way round. Now next we have division of an algebraic expression, continue, polynomial by a polynomial. Now in this case what we see is this is in a different identity form and this is in a different identity form. So we have to convert this to this form. Okay. So this we can write 7x square plus 14x. This can be written as 7x square plus 2 into 7 into x, correct? Now you can take out common from. So this we can write as 7 into x into x. So this 7x you can take out common. What will be remaining? This and this has gone common. So x plus 2. So if I write this as 7x x plus 2 upon x plus 2. So this and this gets cancelled. Our answer is 7x. Let's do another one. Now in this case this is a bigger expression, so we have to first find the factors of this. So this we can write it as 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 into 11 will give us 44. Now here we can take out one term common, that is x square. So from here x square and x square will come out common. So you will have x square. Now what will remain inside is x square minus 5x minus 24. Now here what we can do, we can split this middle term. So 2 into 2 into 11 into x square, and now we split the middle term. So x square minus, we can write 8x and plus 3x. So on subtraction you get as minus 5x minus 24. Now you can take out the factors. So 2 into 2 into 11 into x square. This you can write x multiplied by x minus 8 into x plus 3 into x minus 24, 8 into 3. Then now 2 into 2 into 11 into x square. From here now again we can take out common. So what will go out common? Here in this two terms x will come common. So what will remain is x minus 8. Then now here again 3 will come out common. So what will remain is x minus 8. Okay. Next we go down. Now this we can write as 2 into 2 into 11 into x square into, we can write x plus 8 and x minus 8 and x plus 3. Now we divide it by 11x and x minus 8. Now we have common terms here. So this and this we can cancel out. This 11 and this 11 gets cancelled, and this square gets cancelled. So what is left is 4x and x plus 3. So like this we can solve any given, or we can divide any given algebraic expressions by another polynomial, monomial, or any trinomial. Okay. So that was it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.